Hi, this is Erica, and this is the video for week 8. I'm going to start showing you how I downloaded, I shouldn't say downloaded, installed the routines that were requested, which is request, scraps, and IPython on my terminal. So here you see that first I was like trying to figure out a way of install it. And then I figured out how to do. So it's pip install requests, and this install the request routine for me. So here I have pip install scraps. This will install the scraps routine. And here I have pip install IPython. This installed. So this is all to show to you that the routines that were requested are installed using pip. Okay, now I'm gonna go through my code and show you my code.